Sneaker Fiends, what is going on today? It's your host Chris G, aka Fresh Prince of Js, coming at you. Today is not going to be an unboxing. Today is actually going to be a new thing I'm going to do on my channel, which is mall finds, or it's going to be called mall finds, and it's basically when I go to the malls, outlet stores, and we find some gems out there, some good shoes. So today it's going to be first episode in this series. So we're going to go ahead and kick it off with went to the mall today, went into Shoe Palace, and I seen these shoes. I've always seen them online, and I didn't really pull the trigger. These are shoes actually I wanted when they came out in the Defining Moments package. Never got to get them because, as you guys probably know, the prices were skyrocketed up, but they retroed, so I went ahead and copped them today. Got that gold box, which you guys probably already know what they are. Let me see if I can get that focus. Focus. There we go. Size 12. Box reads Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP, colorway black, metallic gold, black. Go ahead and open these. And what else? Let's get that bird's eye view. The gold Air Jordan 6 Defining Moments package is what the DMP stands for, if you guys didn't know. And ooh, this shoe looks cleansed in person, as Mike Rich would say. Got that gold dog tag right there. And just overall a clean shoe. Let me go and get that sniff going on. That sniff test. Oh man, these shoes are clean. Got that 23 on the back in gold. Focus. Just a real clean shoe in hand, man. These are one of those shoes where you have to have them in your hand to really understand them. Let's go ahead and get the other shoe out. We got that paper. The paper inside the box has Jumpman. It says Unite on it. Go ahead and grab the other pair. Go and make sure it's a size 12. I guess I should have done that before I left the store. Yes, sir. And yeah, man, these are just a clean shoe in hand. I would recommend you guys. I believe they're still in stores now. So if you guys go to your local store, Foot Locker, Champs, Shoe Palace in this case, Nike outlets, I believe they still got some pairs. Got that gold on the tab back there. And try to copy you guys a pair because these are nice in hand. And yeah, man. So just wanted to go ahead and do that quick video of this new series playlist I'm gonna have, which is mall findings. Hope you guys are out there having a beautiful day right now. Feeling blessed to have another day of life, guys. Everything that's going on in the world. I know I say it in each video, but I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Stay kind to others, and it'll come back, guys. That being said, it's Fresh Prince of Js signing out. I'm out, guys.